This is easy water changing with a vivosun 800-gallon pump that's connected to a 3/4 hose. This is a remote control going to it's a bilge pump that goes into our water reservoir over there. So now what I'm doing after I've scrubbed the tank and drained the water, I like to call this the drain and fill. And this is the actual pump that I'm using. I do have another video of this, and I will put the Amazon link for this. The 3/4 silicone line you can get from a hydroponic store. They have changed throughout the years, and this one is actually a softer one that is easier to roll up. Basically, this is how much water comes out of that pump. I'm using a 1.5 inch PVC because the hose is a little bit short, and I'm just like draining it onto the driveway. So that's his water change right there. I mean, I'm just gonna keep on draining and filling until I'm satisfied. All the other stuff, particulates that are in the water, is eventually gonna end up in the pump, and he's gonna have a super clean tank. No service on the filters when I change this much water. And yeah, that's about it. That is our super fast water change using pumps. And then when it's done, I turn it off. I could turn it off from the valve over there, and that would be it. This one I unplug and then I roll it up, and then that's it. Thanks for watching.